So what are the dilemmas and plights of the homeopathic doctors today? I don't have a website? It's one of the most basic requirements of any business or profession, but it costs hundreds and thousands of dollars to build a good website. I feel I'm getting left behind. My patient base, my income, and my future are all getting affected. So what is the solution? Welcome Cure's DocSolution program will be your easy, convenient, hassle-free, and affordable one-stop solution for your website and online clinic needs, and enable you to grow your homeopathic practice. We shall provide you with a domain name, for example, www.homeopathydoctor.com. We shall host your website and provide you with unlimited cloud storage space. International payment gateway to accept patient fees from across the world in dollars, pounds, euros, and more. And finally, also a patient management module to take care and store case histories, prescribe medicines, see previous cases, set follow-ups, and much more. Welcome Cure commits to empower homeopaths with a quality website and an online clinic at an unbelievably affordable price. An exclusive offer for the Global Homeopathy Summit participants. For just $125 annually, you can get your own website, online clinic, and a fully functional patient management module and dashboard. So what are you waiting for? Write to us in the chat box now and start your very own online clinic.